Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import private key on Trust Wallet. So basically, it will provide you with two different options. You can either create a new wallet if you don't already have one, or if you already have a crypto wallet, you can simply import it. Since we are here to import private key, we will tap on import wallet and then choose the network on which your wallet is based on. So since my wallet is an Ethereum, I will simply tap on Ethereum. On the top side, you can see four different options here. You can also see the option called private key. So simply tap on it. Once you have done that, you will have to basically enter your 64-digit alphanumeric characters over here. You can simply paste it, and if you have a QR code, you can also scan the QR code by tapping this QR option right here. After that, name your wallet and you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.